COSI, we believe science is everywhere and for everyone. It shouldn't matter if you're in our building in downtown Columbus or at home with your family. That's why we've created COSI Connects kits, a themed kit with a week's worth of STEM activities delivered right to your front door. Approved by COSI's Little Kid Space, our first early childhood kit is ready for you to take home. This kit will have your littlest learner using their hands, eyes, and ears to learn about dinosaurs. Together, you can read our picture book, A Dinosaur Story, to discover and explore nature, shapes, numbers, and more. Also included in the kit are supplies and instructions for hands-on science and pen-on-paper activities. Discover the fun of science in the comfort of your own home today. Learn more about COSI Connects kits at cosi.org.